Prep skin with Tonique Comfort. Pour toner onto a cotton pad and apply all over for a smooth, hydrated, and glowy skin. Apply a dropper full of Advanced Genifique Face Serum to the palm of your hands, massage, and press into the skin with fingertips for a boost of radiance, hydration, and anti-aging benefits. Moisturize with Absolute Soft Cream for nourishing, firming, and brightening results. Apply Advanced Genifique Eye Cream by dotting under eye using your ring finger or finger with the lightest touch to instantly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Add a touch of bronze to complexion with shade Apollon for lighter complexions or Odalisque for deeper complexions with Contour Brush number 7, starting at the forehead hairline, down under the cheekbones, and back out under jawline in a 3 formation. Apply shade Richelieu over lids to brighten eye area with All Over Shadow Brush number 10. To intensify shade, layer shade Sully over lids up to the crease. To add depth, apply shade Estre to crease with Precision Crease Brush number 11. Deepen the crease and outer corners by layering shade Samothrace and wrapping around on the lower lash line. Line and define upper and lower lash line with shade Estre using Sleek Liner Brush, Liner Smudger Brush number 14. Pop shade Denon on cheeks up to temples and center bridge of nose using Contour Brush number 7. To highlight, sweep shade Richelieu to cheekbones using Contour Brush number 7 or ring finger. Prep and prime lashes with Sills Booster XL Mascara Primer to make one coat of mascara look like 2. Complete eye look with fanned out Lash Extensions Effect Lashes using Lashy Doll Mascara. For pink pout perfection, apply L'Absolu Rouge Cream Lipstick Exotic Orchid number 391. For a dazzling shimmer effect, combine golden shadow on the back of your hand with lipstick and press into lips. Finish with La Vie Belle fragrance to experience joyous femininity through this energizing perfume. When it's time to take it all off, shake to activate Bifacil Eye Makeup Remover. Pour onto a cotton pad until fully saturated and remove even the most stubborn makeup. Repeat as needed.